the gang called niggas with attitudes. When I'm called off, I got a sawed off. Squeeze the trigger and bodies are hauled off. You too, boy, if you fuck with me. The police are gonna have to come and get me off your ass. That's how I'm going out. For the punk motherfuckers that's showing out. Niggas want the mumble, they wanna rumble. Mix 'em and cook 'em in a pot like gumbo. Going off on the motherfucker like that. With a gat that's pointed at your ass. So give it up smooth. Ain't no telling when I'm down for a jack move. Cause a murder rap to keep ya dancing. With a crime record like Charles Manson. AK-47 is a tool. Don't make me act a motherfucking fool. Me, you can go toe to toe, no mate. I'm knocking niggas out the box daily. Yo, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Until them dumb motherfuckers see clearly that I'm down with the capital CBT. Boy, you can't fuck with me. So when I'm in your neighborhood, you better duck. Cause Ice Cube is crazy as fuck. As I leave, believe I'm starving. But when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of Compton.
What's up?
Tell them where you from.
Straight out of Compton. Another crazy ass nigga. For punks I smoke, yo, my rep gets bigger. I'm a bad motherfucker and you know this. But the pussy ass niggas won't show this. But I don't give a fuck, I'ma make my snaps. If not from the records, from jacking across it's like burglary. The definition is jacking. But when I'm legally armed, it's gonna pack it. Shoot a motherfucker in a minute. I find a good piece of pussy and go up in it. So if you had a show in the front row, I'ma call you a bitch or a dirty ass hoe. You probably get mad like a bitch is supposed to. But that shows me slut joke and pose to a crazy motherfucker from the street. Attitude legit cause I'm tearing up shit. Empty leg controls are automatic. For any dumb motherfucker, it's gonna static. Not a right hand cause I'm a hand itself. Every time I pull an AK off the shelf. The security is maximum and that's a law. REN spells red but I'm wrong. See, cause I'm the motherfucking villain. The definition is clear, you're the witness of a killing. Especially in a place without a clue. And once you're on the scope, your ass is through. Look, you might take it as a trip. But a nigga like Wayne is on the gangster tip. Straight out of Compton, 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 Compton. Easy is his name and the boys coming.
Straight out of Compton. It's a brother that will smother your mother. You make the sister think I love her. Dangerous, motherfucker raising hell. And if I ever get caught, I make bail. See, I don't give a fuck. That's random. I see a motherfucking cop, I don't dodge him. But I'm smart, lay low, creep a while. And when I see a punk man, I smile. To me it's kinda funny. The attitude show a nigga driving. But don't know where the fuck he going, just rolling. Looking for the one they call easy. But here's a flash. They never sees me ruthless. Never seem like a shadow in the dark. It's someone I know. You see a spark of over hesitation. And in the scream of the one who got the leg administration. Feel a little dust to win and I'll get. Believe a memory, no one of me forget. So what if I convince you guys shot? Fucker, you think I
Voy a ver una foto al revés, que toda esa gente.
Ya está.
biography of the E. And if you ever